then we're going to rotate so you can
Our teachers do so much for children across the country, and it's a great opportunity for us to be able to give a little something back to them. The CIVICS 250 program is a very unique program that we were able to get a grant from the Department of Education to help fund, to support teachers and learning about founding documents and how to best teach those with their students.
This grant's use of the word civics in its title is incredibly intentional. Civics stands for Cultivating Informed Voices in Classrooms. One of the reasons why I'm really excited about this grant is because it's going to bring teachers from across grade bands together. We're going to have elementary teachers, middle school teachers, and high school teachers discussing what it means to teach about civics and cultivating these informed voices in their classroom.
The way the program works is that we have virtual learning sessions once a month throughout the school year. Then in June, we also have a week-long seminar in person located on campus of beautiful Bowling Green State University, where we will have various different conversations and ways of collaborating with each of the participants in each year's cohort.
We're really excited to offer this program for a variety of reasons. In particular, the public-facing nature of the program. We have students at Bowling Green State University involved with podcasts, explainer videos. We also have various events that we are putting on with the Marvin Center here at Bowling Green State University for teachers to attend along with their students, including the Day of Dialogue, leadership luncheons. We have many state representatives, we have many political leaders, and a lot of civic leaders as well. It's a great opportunity for teachers and their students to see politics in action and to be able to discuss many of the historical documents that most of us know a little bit about, but probably need a little bit deeper understanding to fully engage them.
By helping our students look through, analyze, and understand what our founding fathers were hoping to build, we can better understand how we can both perpetuate and change our society for the good of all people.
Bowling Green State University is a public university for the public good. I can't think of any group of folks more deserving of a great opportunity than teachers throughout the state of Ohio, our region, and the country.